Good morning and Happy New Year. This is Rebecca, the Steampunk Planner. And I would say grab your coffee. I have mine and we're going to get into this. I have a few things to show you and some announcements. So at this point, since I did all of the videos with Steve, we have received his order. And I will let you know I'm behind schedule, not that you didn't know that already, because we needed to go to Florida. Now, in the order, I did order an extra in one. We don't know how that happened, but I also got the same cards in 3 of them. I don't know why I keep getting this little lady, but it's not the one that I wanted. But Steve is going to use them anyhow for pencil boards. I just want to show you a few things that I received from a Patreon I follow. She is a beautiful artist. These are pieces that she has hand done. And part of my package is I get a magnet, a sticker, and a small picture. And I just love them. These I purchased from the most recent and last of the art fairs before the holidays. These were done by Emma. And I purchased these to put on my work and my memory keeping planners for my B5. They're a little bit large, which I was going to cut down, and that's fine. Except there was one problem, which you saw. I brought up the Lauren Phelps. Yeah. They do not fit. They are bending my books. There is no way I can put anything in there decorative for the front. So I'm a little perturbed because these were touted on her site that they fit the B5 and they don't. They're a hair shy on length and width. And if you contact them, they'll just tell you to heat them up. I'm sorry. I got one from Etsy, fit perfectly. I got the ones from Sterling Ink, fit perfectly. I'll get off my soapbox. Mainly because I have an announcement. I have a cover that's coming to hold both those books that is leather, made by Melissa with Reimagined by Luna. She made this for me, which I will be using this year for my ink swatching in preparations for videos. So, and my cover that's coming will have this lock mechanism. So I can't wait to show you that. We're actually going to go into her shop and talk with her about it. So I have received my January setup from Sterling Ink, and it's the deluxe. And yes, I am going to quickly go speed through opening this up because this envelope has like cement that holds it together. Sorry, that was Wednesday coming in when I was speeding this up. And I did not remove it. I think it's hilarious when his voice is sped up. I still have allergies left over from being in Florida for the family emergency, so I ask for your humble forgiveness on how I sound. But I am still using the deluxe, and I'm going to be doing something a little different than I did last year. And you can hear when I was filming this that my throat would bother me as much right now. Yes, Wednesday is letting himself be known in the background. So this is one of the vellums from January. And then this one is the one I adore. I love the paint palettes. Oh. And I think I know what I'm going to start doing with these. But you know me, that means I actually have to start using them. And the fear factor is when I try to do something with these, they're the only ones I have. And I'm afraid of ruining them. But I may do it anyway. We'll see. I will bring that to you. There is still a lot that I need to bring to you and a lot that I need to catch up on. But right now, we're just going to focus on this set. This is my first impressions. They are gorgeous. Yes, I've got my dates, I've got my weeklies, which I'll be using those differently as also. I don't mind the A5 version of the vellum. It's actually, I've got plans for it. And I'm going to just go ahead and break this down because these wonderful stickers in the deluxe set, you get 2 of them. And I really want to focus. This one's going to be a hard one to use. I may use it on the last day of January. And then in this gorgeous little envelope is the other one. So beautiful. Now, the first one is clear, or what they would call a matte. And the second one is in white. I assume that they just print those out for the small envelopes regardless, all in the white, which is fine with me because it still blends. Here are the serif and sans serif, or print and cursive, of both the January, and I've got plans for those. I know you're thinking, well, yeah, you've got plans, you've been using them. Nope, these are different plans. So there is my month in review, the beautiful business card that comes with each set. And then we have the freebie, which this would be what, if you order something and they send you a black envelope, it'll be one of these freebies that are in there. I can't guarantee you it's going to be January, but it'll be a freebie they have. And then here are the tabs, which I have new plans for, but this one is a surprise, and I love this surprise. Yay! I am just so beyond excited about this one. And yes, I've got plans already for them. Oh, I cannot wait. Thank you, Catherine, for adding this to the deluxe set. And I'm hoping it may be, if you've got the regular, you get it in that one. If not, if it's a deluxe, thank you. I appreciate that beyond anything. So I'm going to break these up into the actual pictures. That's the word I'm looking for. So she has changed up the tear look, which I love it. And then we also have more of a mod where you've got strips and everything all in one. This is a cute, amazing mod. I love it. And then, of course, the individual images, which there's those paint palettes I love so much. This is definitely an art room that I dream of. Maybe one day. We'll see. Right now, there's no room for one, but I sneak it in my office. So here's the individual flower pieces and leaves, and then the corner and page edges. Yes, sorry. It did not want to bend for you guys to see. There we go. So we're going to go into the smaller ones. I'm sorry, those were the medium ones. We're going to go into the large. So these, I'm going to do all of them lengthwise, only so that they get into the camera range. And it makes it difficult for you to see. I hope you do. I apologize if you don't. I love the washi look. It's very mod, and it's whiter. There's 2 sheets of that one. Of course, we've got the full year numbers for this month also. This one is a new one. And loving it. I actually purchased a book that has these to add in. So loving the tags. We've got our frames, and they're different size frames again. Which again, I really like her choice in having to do this. More tear-offs, but larger sizes. So the medium one was new. And last year she did try to see how it would take if they just did this image as a sticker and not the strips. And I don't know if they're going to use it as a sticker, but this is definitely strips, which makes me happy. So here's this image. And honestly, if it was the image as well, I think I would be happy, but I do use those long strips. So yeah, here's the stamps. Very beautiful. A lot more stamps than before. And here is the large image, which is all of the books that are in the art studio. So here, I'm going to leave you at the end. I need to go through and figure out how I want to set up this book, my memory keeping book. I've got some great ideas, and I hope to be able to get those to you soon as well. I do want to share a few things. I did get from Lauren Phelps when I ordered my covers. Sorry again. I did get her tabs, and she did send through some freebies. Now, for the holiday, you had your choice of picking them. It didn't matter to me. But I did get the tabs, and Steve wanted the ones that had the black label, white type, and I got quite a few of them, not realizing, sorry, I'm out of focus, there we go, not realizing that there were 2 sets on each page. So I've got enough, most definitely, for his books and for any extras of mine that I'm going to want to use black for. Also, I purchased the smoke colors. So let me make sure. I've got 2, 4, 6, 8. So yeah, I've got plenty in the black labels, which will be used. I have, like I said, many ideas. I will still be using my Coffee Monster tabs, but these, because the B5s are larger, these will work. So I purchased, for me, the script. So this is the smoke, and it has the white lettering and script. And then I also purchased the black and the white lettering with script. I really like those. It's great for separating mine from his, but like I said, we've got plenty. And then I have the card, which is a beautiful snowflake. And I also have the beautiful stickers that came as freebies. But as I stated, I wanted to share a little something more. I'm going to be introducing, at the beginning of every month, a video on how I put together a graphic illustration from one of my clients, or it could be one of the pre-made covers that I have designed. But I will go into more later. Right now, I want to go ahead and start putting this together.